Hi guys, welcome back to Things Tina Does, and today, to celebrate Valentine's, I've got a sexy Valentine's cocktail for you called the Raspberry Kiss, and let's get into it. Okay guys, we've got ice in our shaker, and by the way, this recipe makes two cocktails, one for you, one for your love. Alright, now we are going to have 2 ounces of freshly made raspberry syrup. And guys, by the way, you can check out how I made this. It's so easy. Check out my homemade raspberry preserves on the channel. Check out that segment and it'll show you how we did that. Okay, so 2 ounces of that goes into the shaker, and then we have 2 ounces of heavy cream. I did tell you this was an indulgent, luxurious cocktail, didn't I? Well, if not, yes, it is. Okay, now lid goes on, and then we shake, shake, shake. Okay, now, if I can get my lid off. Okay, oh, that's pretty already. Okay, now goes in 3 ounces of our white chocolate liqueur. So, 1, ooh, I'm being sloppy. 2, 3, Chambord, 6, and Chambord, I'm using not Chambord, I'm using a different brand, but Chambord is a raspberry liqueur, raspberry flavored liqueur. And then we have 3 ounces of vanilla liqueur. 1 little shot on that one, 2, and 3. And then, lid goes back on, and we shake again. And then we're going to pour this into our ice-filled rimmed glasses. Now, here is our beautifully rimmed glasses, and these have been rimmed with white chocolate and crushed graham crackers. And into our glasses. There we go. Fresh for you and your love. Raspberry Kiss. Oh, that's outstanding. You guys are going to love this. And guys, make sure you're subscribed to the channel if you haven't already, right? Because you don't want to miss out on lots more lovely things like this. You guys will have to let me know what you think about this, all right? Leave me a comment and make sure you share us with those that you love. And we'll see you next time on Things Tina Does.